So for the first time, I destroyed this after I hit it once. A few times. Turns out I actually just hit the LED. All the stats was still normal. I reviewed the footage, and if I were to use it, then it would probably still work. I would just not know if it was unlocked or not, if it unlocked the door or not, so. Then I hit it a few more times, and it's completely rendered useless. The only thing that it does now is just recognize as a device, but no storage or anything, nothing else. And I'm already running out of time on YouTube Shorts, so... Actually, never mind, I'll just make this full video. As I already know that, if it's a YouTube Short or not. I still got a chance, and now I don't. Well. Break all the input pins, so it's guaranteed not want to be using. This thing I actually got from China is actually $25, but it actually technically did kind of crap out a lot, but it just all of a sudden just stops really going really fast, and I had to go and wait for like literally a full minute to go and get it working, so I just bought a whole new one, but they aren't cheap. I got my next one for $75. Prices keep on going up. So the rock is falling apart and completely destroying the side of it. Breaking all the input pins again. Because without the pins, you can't do anything with it, so just make it so that it's useless. Now let's go ahead and try this one last time. Will this work? Oh, it's just sticking to the magnet. So, will you unlock? No power? Screw yourself. And I actually had to go get like 3 RFID replacements, like the key, and I do not recommend getting one of these. They're very just useless. Like, I don't know how long I had it. Probably for a few years. I'm not sure. Time to go ahead and get rid of that RFID. See if we got any gold inside of this logic board. And usually they have the gold on top of the components or as component. But sometimes that's not the case. Ah, shit. Sometimes that's not the case. Looks like it's still like a RFID. And just so you know, if you find any cheaper, just let me know, please. Like, just please go online and let me know if you find any cheaper. Because this is just honestly kind of fun to destroy. I mean, if I still had the key card, but my mom threw it away, I just scavenged this one in the trash. So, if y'all find like one of these new ones, That'd be quite interesting to see what would happen if I just hit all the components really hard, like just like that, and then see what exactly just got it wrong. And yeah, luckily I found this one, and if I get another one, I may have to start making these more often. But yeah, let's start looking on eBay. I only found these on like Amazon, Back Market, stuff like that. One on Chinese board supplier things. It's actually where I purchased that other one. And don't forget, guys, this thing was pretty much useless, so nothing new broken, except it does still turn on, works just fine. Well, not really just fine, but it takes a while. And sometimes it actually just turns off, randomly restarts. All started happening probably like a few months ago. So, yeah, then once we started seeing it start going crazy, we just got a whole new one. And yeah, it was from China, so it took a while. And yeah, now it's from all the way just from like, oh no, I gotta go scan this a few times too. It's locking me out for 5 minutes. Longest time I've ever been locked out, probably for a good 10 minutes. And this time I'm not actually lying or anything. Well, I haven't been lying for a long time, but yeah. Like legit, I was locked out for like 10 minutes. And it finally just unlocked. Like, the green light all of a sudden just turned like yellowish and then just shut off, and yeah, it was off for a little while until I finally just hit it. And then the whole thing just came back on, worked. But yeah, my new one looks exactly like this, except it actually kind of works better. This one, I believe we got it on AliExpress or something like that. Possibly even, I'm not sure. Hopefully it unlocks now. Yeah, I'm not going to be letting this thing lock me out of the house anymore. Just sick and tired of having all these things happen. Ooh, check that out. There's also some yellowish stuff in the logic board like these. I kind of want to eat it, but it's probably going to kill me with all the diseases that can actually be in here. When I say diseases, I'm not lying. Oh! Copper fell off, now I have this huge streak on the side of it. And this is also what's inside of it. Well, copper wires are on there too. So there it is. I'm going to continue for a little while longer. Got nothing else to do. I'm bored, like they said in the comments. Really hurt. still not unlocking. Oh, if that hit my phone, I'd be sorry. I just got this 2 weeks ago. E Flip 5. Yeah, I already got a scratch on the screen. And check this out. Completely ruined top of it. Hey, would you look at that? Some iPhone 4 or 4S speaker. Might as well. Yeah. And let's see what's inside this. Absolutely nothing except for empty space and the smallest speaker on the side that I've ever seen. Plus those 2 gold connections. Guess we found gold. Struck gold, guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and also break the speaker. Okay. Ah. Guess I couldn't take music now. Could I? So. Plastic's falling apart in my hand. And as is for the speaker, it just came right on out. Both of the gold connections are still there. Oh, so that's how I do it. Back in the day, Apple wasn't so complicated. Just like an easy little speaker like this, and now they're using some magnetic thing on there. Magnets, go ahead and get some reception on a piece of paper, stuff like that. And I was always wondering when I was younger, what was inside of a speaker. And I was like, why is my mom constantly saying, don't destroy your speaker paper, the paper inside the speaker? Well, this is freaking plastic. Little scam and a lie. And this is a freaking ring of metal. Nothing about paper. Even more metal and little magnets on the back. Let's go ahead and make the copper in it move as a negative force. And yeah, then that's pretty much it. I guess. I forgot. But yeah, it's pretty cool how I got some magnets out of this. Oh, and there's the copper. I struck copper, literally. That would be a pretty boring video if I only was celebrating about some copper. Except I gotta go and admire how I actually found gold. Right here. So, throw this all away. I'll look for it later. Oh, and also, we'll be going magnet fishing over here. And we'll use the magnet and go and figure out if I still have some time capsules down here from probably about a year ago. Because this is actually my old destruction environment. So, as a matter of fact, ew, that's freaking manual with some bugs all over it. Yeah, I can go and find it. But back to the video. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Ew. It's completely destroyed, except for the front. Well, the front's completely curving up, but it's not destroyed. Like, actually, I take that back. The back's not destroying. The front's curving, being destroyed. Ah, dang it, that actually kind of hurt. Well, I completely tore my RFID scanner in half. So, please like and subscribe. Because this wasn't cheap. It was quite expensive. So stop just disliking. I already had a few dislikes. Oh, and also subscribe, please. That helps my algorithm, and then I can go ahead and afford some of these $25 craps. The Rock versus the Rock. Well, rock, paper, scissors. Always rock wins, except for paper. As a matter of fact, just for fun, I'll go ahead and break my only power source back here. Oh shit. Stuff down there. And I gotta go and use the restroom right now, so see you guys in the next one.